So hey everybody, welcome to another Feature Friday. We're going to talk about grouping questions in inspection forms. We're going to go fast because we're coming up on a holiday weekend, so hopefully this is helpful. Alrighty, so here we go. We are going to use manage for this, but it's very similar to what you'll find in 7.6. So I've got manage open here, and I'm going to go to planning, and I'm going to roll down here quite a ways to manage inspection forms, and we're just going to start out by building a new inspection form here. Alright, so let's go ahead and just create that new form. On the far right, click the Create Form icon. I'm going to give it a name here just for fun. Grouping questions. Doesn't really matter. And then I'm just going to start out and I'm going to add 4 questions here. Okay? So here is question number 1. Here is going to be question number 2. Question number 3. And question number 4. Okay. Doesn't really matter. If you have an existing form that has these questions, you're in good shape. So I'm going to create 2 groups, and the first thing I'm going to do is choose the first 2 questions just for fun, and I'm going to group these 2 together. You'll notice when I selected the 2 questions, the Create Groups link activated, and so I go ahead and click that, and now I can enter the group name. Oops, just go ahead and type it. Sorry about that. This is going to be my internal set of questions. Okay, that's done. And then I'm going to come down here to the next 2 questions, and I'm going to create a group down here, and we're just going to click in that, and these are going to be external. Okay, and that's really all you have to do to create those groups. Let's go see what they actually look like. So then I just come down here to Save, and I want to actually use this form, so I'm then going to activate it. And so now I have an active form that I can actually use. So to use that form, I'm just going to close this out, and I'm going to go down to Work Orders. And either way, whether I'm in 7.6, I might use the Conduct an Inspection Work Center, or since I'm running here in Manage, I'm going to use the Inspections mobile application, which, by the way, they also launch into a browser tab. So I'm just going to skip ahead here. I'm going to go down to the lower right-hand corner into the 9 dots. Click the plus sign to create a new inspection, and there's the inspection. And I'm just going to somewhat randomly choose an asset here. Let's find the TBA, see how that goes. Search for it. Again, it doesn't really matter whether you are, doesn't really matter what asset I'm after here. I just chose one. But now I'm going to choose this template. And my list of templates that I have available to me here, I have grouping questions. There it is. Click continue, start this inspection, and there we are. So on this particular asset, I have these 2 questions, and they're organized in a group. All right, so that was pretty easy. You have to create your questions first, and then you create your groups. So thanks for attending another Feature Friday, and we'll see you again in a few weeks.